How's it going, everyone? Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be taking a quick look at these idle air control motor mounting bolts from industry leader 5.0 Resto. These bolts from 5.0 Resto are going to secure the idle air control motor to the throttle body. Each bolt is going to be zinc plated and features the correct thread pattern. 5.0 Resto's bolts complement a new IAC motor or a fresh engine restoration, and of course are much needed for anyone that has missing or stripped hardware. Of course, in the box you're going to get two new bolts that are intended to fit 1986 to 1995 Mustangs. When replacing the idle air control motor bolts, it is going to be in your best interest to install a new gasket as well. After all, a new gasket is a pretty cheap peace of mind. When tightening the new hardware, you're going to want to snug them down, of course, without over tightening. Now, for all you torque spec gurus out there, these bolts are going to torque to 89 inch-pounds. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning.